Yeah. Corey Shades, Hamilton. Ryan through Rain or Shine, Henderson. Austin Slushy. Kale Pickup. Sarah, I'm Stronger Than Babcock. The guys. Brad Big Game Smith. Mark Tiny Van Leuven. Where's Tiny? Yeah, Tiny. These guys representing Kingston Fire Department, the KFR Fire Dragons, composed of the volunteer firefighters from stations 8 and 9. This team keeps the residents of K-Town safe in the Glen Burnie and Elginburg area. Big thanks to Kingston Brewing Company. They provided the team shirts. Fire Dragons, are you ready? Timekeepers, give me the thumbs up. You guys are ready? Judges, are you ready?